Step one for dummies. What powerless and unmanageable actually means: we admitted we were powerless over alcohol addiction, that our lives had become unmanageable. What step one really means. Step one is basically saying, I can't control this anymore, and my life is a mess because of it. That's the whole thing. It's not about shame, it's about honesty. Break down in the simplest terms. One, we admitted. This is the first time you stop lying to yourself. It means no more excuses, no more "I got this." No more pretending it's not that bad, it's just telling the truth. Two, powerless. Powerless doesn't mean weak. It means this thing has more control over you than you have over it. Examples of powerlessness: I'll only have one, ends up being 10. I'm quitting tomorrow, doesn't happen. I can handle it, can't. I won't use today, uses anyway. If you can't consistently stop or stay stopped, that's powerlessness. Three, our lives had become unmanageable. Unmanageable doesn't mean homeless or in jail, though it can. It means in chaos, stress, secrets, broken promises, losing control of time, money, emotions, constant damage control, living in the survival mode. If your addiction is running your life, that's unmanageable. Step one in one sentence. My way isn't working, and I need help. Why step one matters: because nothing changes until you stop pretending you're in control. Step one is the foundation. It's the moment you stop fighting reality and start building recovery. Step one for dummies. Quick checklist. I can't consistently stop on my own. My addiction causes problems I can't fix. I've tried to control it and failed. My life feels chaotic or unbalanced. I'm ready to be honest about it. Step one isn't giving up. It's stopping the fight with reality, and that's where recovery starts.